you're a foodie visiting Stockholm, you must be wondering what all do you need to try during your trip? Well, you're in for a treat. From mouth-watering Swedish delicacies to hidden culinary gems, this city has lots to offer. But where do you start? What are the amazing dishes you need to try? Which restaurants do you need to visit? And which apps will make dining in Stockholm easier? Well, we have just the right person to guide you. Fayez, a local expert and tour guide who knows Stockholm's food scene inside out. Let's get to know all about Stockholm's delicious treats from him.
My name is Fayez, and I've been guide in Stockholm more the last 4 or 5 years. And then I studied about history and special Middle Ages. As you see, the background of mine, which is the Viking. This is the land of the Viking and how they were traveling the world. And Stockholm is considered to be the biggest city in the Nordic country. The food, mainly as we are a sea or a water city. Fish is the main. We have fried herring from Baltic Sea, smoked salmon, and reindeer stew served with mashed potato and lingonberry. And we have also potato and pork. And we have the American, they are not the first people who found hot dog. The hot dog is a pure Swedish. And they have different meat. They have a chicken meat or they have a beef meat or and the famous Swedish meatball. Meatballs, let's be frankly, one of the monarchy in around of 18th century lost a war in front of Russia. You see how the food connected to his politics, geopolitics. So he seek as a refugee to where? To Ottoman Empire, the other enemy of Russia, because Russia was fighting the Ottoman Empire to control the Black Sea and the Kingdom of Sweden to control Baltic Sea. That king went to the Ottoman and he loved the Turkish meatballs. So he get the recipe and he come back with it to Sweden. And then they modify it according to Nordic taste. We have lamb meatballs, reindeer meatballs, fish meatballs. And remember, here the country now with the fashion, we become vegan, a vegan meatballs. And the weird one, a bear meatballs. I didn't expect it, but one of the restaurant they put it in their menu. So people, for example, who is vegetarian, who is vegan, they are in correct place in Stockholm. Even we have a vegan society. Favorite, I feel it an authentic meatballs vessel called Billington. They have really quality meat. And also a fish soup in Kaisa restaurant in Haymarket. That is also a stunning. And also we have a lot of nice restaurants. We have 4 Michelin restaurants that you need to book in advance under the name Francine. We have Uber, Fedora, the hotel restaurants close at 8 o'clock. In case if somebody arrive and hungry, they can download Fedora app or Uber app and order, and the delivery come to their hotel.
So, with these amazing suggestions from Fayez, your trip to Stockholm is definitely going to be successful food wise. You can enjoy a classic Swedish meatball dish or discover hidden food spots. Stockholm is sure to leave your taste buds delighted. Huge thanks to Fayez for sharing his insights. Have you tried any of these dishes? Or do you have a Stockholm food recommendation of your own? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and food adventures. Next time, happy traveling and happy eating!